What we gonna do today, Ramona? We will try to blow the balloon.
Blow the balloon.
Using the vinegar and baking soda.
Okay.
So,
This first.
no,
This.
baking soda first. So transfer the baking soda to the bowl. You do it yourself or mommy help? Okay. Oops. Oh, I think better mommy help, yeah? Okay. Now, after we transfer the baking soda to the bowl,
Okay.
not this one. Can you fill the baking soda to the balloon?
Okay.
I help.
Don't.
Put the baking soda, please.
Okay.
Put inside. So you should put in like this, yeah? Masukin lagi. Little bit. Put in like this. Like this. More. Can mommy, may I help you? Okay. Little bit. Put in like this. Like this. More. Can mommy, may I help you? Okay. It's okay. Now you can fill again, little bit more. Okay. So the baking soda should put into the balloon, and then put more to others. Yes, put more. Yeah. Good. Can we help?
No, don't worry.
Okay. Good. So let's put it here. Like this.
This one too.
No, we try to. This is later. So now is the show.
So.
Can you open? And then we. No. Put here and this. Put here. Okay. Then. No. Can you help mommy?
Okay.
This will blow up. I guess. Can you like this? You see what happened? See? Woo! Look at that! Wow! Wow, the balloon is blowing up. Yeah! You want to try one more time? See? Woo! Look at that! Wow! Wow, the balloon is blowing up. Yeah! You want to try one more time? Woo! Look at that! Wow! Wow, the balloon is blowing up. Yeah! You want to try one more time?
Yeah.
Bang! Bang! The other one. And you'll be bang too. Wow! Look at that! Ramon is scared. Ramon is running away. Wow! Look. And see if they will blow up. It stay, Ramona. The balloon stay. Wow! It's amazing. You can touch.
No.
Look, it's safe now. Touch. You can touch. Look, it's safe now. Touch. Now she's scared. So, this is our experiment of today. You want to say bye-bye to your friend?
No.
Let's come here and say bye-bye first.
No.
Okay. Ramona is a bit scared. So, this is the end of the video, guys. You can try at home with your brother or your sister and also with your parents. Okay, thank you for watching.